crazy than anything that I've ever done before. Like, this is actually insane. Stay tuned, subscribe, and like, and comment down below what you think is gonna happen. Oh, my car! Hello, mister? Oh, the spring is laser at me, man. I hate it. My health is going down, but it's regenerating really quickly, which is good. Oh my god. This is insane. When we're done, oh, no damage to him, like, at all. They're like invincible. This is like god level stuff. No, King Kong! No! Godzilla killed King Kong. Can you believe that? I'm a tank in the middle of the bridge. We have Godzilla behind me, King Kong in front of me, and it's gonna be absolutely crazy. They're about to fight. Who's gonna win? Godzilla won, I think, actually. Oh, let's go, let's go. Whoa, look at that. Are they stuck? Oh! He just front flipped. Wow. Okay, he's going crazy. And he is absolutely destroying King Kong, okay? I mean, that actually makes sense because he's like an alien lizard. A ginormous alien lizard. I'm sorry. I need to correct myself. And he's just like a big monkey, I guess. Oh, sorry. A gorilla. A big gorilla. Please don't come for me. Please don't come for me. No! I said big gorilla. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you like to subscribe, by the way, guys, and leave a comment on what I should do next in the comment section. Oh! Gorilla's getting destroyed again and again and again. Godzilla is just winning. Honestly, it's so hard. At this point, I feel like I'm gonna mess up Godzilla and Gorilla because they both start with go. Godzilla, Gorilla, you know? Oh, but Godzilla's absolutely beautiful, by the way. Like, look at that. There's dinosaurs! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is actually insane. I don't think I'll survive this, actually. Look, he's like indestructible, but King Kong isn't. What? Okay, anyway. Oh, he's just like, he's really trying to get me, you know, but you can't get me. I'm too fast and I'm too small for you. Oh, no! King Kong! No, King Kong, no! Oh, let's see how this is gonna work out for them now. They're like, it's actually crazy. They're so well made. It's like insane. Like, look at that. Oh my god. I don't know what to go here. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Oh my god. He's like shining it and everything. And then King Kong's just standing there. Oh, I'm on top of King Kong now. Oh, he's getting burned into watermelon. Look, he looks like watermelon. And again, Godzilla is just like doesn't take any damage at all again. That's how it's. Oh, they're about to step on me. Look at me. Oh, this is dangerous game I'm playing. Ah, King Kong again. Godzilla has like, what, 6 points at this point. Please tell me if you counted it. Please, tell me the number in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it. I don't know. I just threw a plate at him. Oh, wow. He really thinks he can get me, but you're not. You're not gonna get me. You can get King Kong, but you can't get me. Oh, what are you roaring at? Jesus. Stop roaring at me. Have some manners. Damn. Make sure to like and subscribe, by the way, guys. And tell me in the comment section down below, who do you think is gonna win overall? Who do you like more, King Kong or Godzilla? King Kong or Godzilla? Honestly, I think I like Godzilla, actually, because he's just winning. He's a winner. King Kong is just, he keeps on losing and dying. Like, hello, can you turn up your, like, god power and everything and, like, win for once? King Kong has been on a losing streak, okay? King Gorilla. Damn. I mean, also, I understand his point of view because, oh, I just died. I just got killed by a dinosaur? Not Godzilla, not King Kong. I got killed by a freaking dinosaur. Okay, wow. Okay, oh, so see them both of them. Are they gonna fight again? Are they gonna fight again?